Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to turn off your two-factor authentication, then what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right, and tap on Account Center. After tapping on Account Center, tap on Password and Security, then tap on Two-Factor Authentication, then select your Facebook profile. After selecting your Facebook profile, now what you can do is just simply remove your authentication app. So what you have to do is just select any one of these options. So if you just tap on text messages, what will happen is you will receive the codes in your messages, so in your mobile number. So if you want to do that, you can just select that, and if you haven't added a mobile number to your Facebook account, you just have to simply add it and you can access that feature, or you can just simply tap on security key. And by tapping on security key, what will happen is you just have to enter your fingerprint or your device password to access your account. And after tapping on security key, now what you can do is just simply tap on register security key, and after tapping on that, just tap on this device. After tapping on this device, now what you can do is just simply enter your fingerprint or your device password. And after entering that, now you have successfully added your security key. So now whenever you try to log into your account, you just have to enter your security key. So just enter your fingerprint or your device password, and then you can easily access your account. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.